Everyone, I have made learning easier and more scoring for you. In today's video, we will explore all the key points of the lesson. To make it simple and easy to understand, I have divided the lesson into different sections. So let's dive into the first part. Tricki's unhealthy condition, overfeeding and illness. Introduction to Tricki, a pampered pet dog owned by Mrs. Pumphrey, overfed with rich food, leading to obesity. Signs of illness. Tricki becomes lethargic and refuses to eat. Mrs. Pumphrey panics and calls the vet, Dr. Herriot. Dr. Herriot's concern. Realizes that Tricki is seriously ill due to overfeeding, advises hospitalization to save him. So we can say that Tricki was overfed and pampered, becomes lazy and sick. Dr. Herriot suggests treatment. Tricki at the surgery, beginning of recovery. Taking Tricki to the clinic, Mrs. Pumphrey reluctantly hands over Tricki, sends beds, toys, food, but Herriot rejects them. New lifestyle for Tricki. No overfeeding, just a simple natural diet. Joins other dogs and starts playing actively. Signs of improvement. Tricki gains energy and starts running and playing. Becomes healthier without any medicine, just proper care. So we can say that Tricki is taken to the clinic, strict diet and low luxury. Becomes active and healthy. Complete recovery and transformation. A happy, healthy Tricki. Tricki becomes fit, gains strength, plays joyfully with other dogs, loses extra weight and regains normal health. Mrs. Pumphrey's excitement, calls frequently, worried about Tricki. Dr. Herriot reassures her without revealing the strict treatment. Successful treatment without medicine. Tricki's health improves just with exercise and a balanced diet. So we can say that Tricki gains energy, plays happily with other dogs. Mrs. Pumphrey eager to get him back. Reunion and triumph of surgery. Lesson on pet care. Mrs. Pumphrey takes Tricki home, overjoyed to see her healthy, active pet. Believes Dr. Herriot performed a miracle surgery. The real triumph. Tricki was cured with proper diet and exercise, not surgery. The real lesson, over-pampering harms pets. Moral of the story. Excessive care and luxury can be harmful. Proper health care is about balance, not indulgence. So finally, Tricki returns home healthy. Mrs. Pumphrey calls it a triumph of surgery. Lesson: avoid overfeeding pets. So students, don't forget to share your feedback in the comments. I would love to hear how you like the video. And if you found it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.